Hello guys, welcome again to the channel Rich Minded Skills. And today we're just going to see, we want to introduce for you a new robot called Profit Hunter robot. We have tested it many times, and now we are sure of either this robot is nice for us to work with, is good for us to work with. So we are going to start from the scratch. And see what is going to happen inside here. Okay, we are just going to start like the way we are just going to drop EURUSD in the chart. We are going to drop EURUSD in the chart, and after dropping it, we are just taking our robots like this, and Profit Hunter robot like the way you see it 1.0, and we allow the DLL and allow live trading, and we put on the robot. As you can see, the Profit Hunter is on wake, then we allow the auto trading like that. Okay, so in order to just get a entry earlier as possible, we are going to trace different pairs so as we can see which pair is going to enter the market earlier than any other pair. Okay, we just do like this and allow Profit Hunter to do his work and GBP. So we are going to test some pairs, and then we are going to use the pair which will be earlier in get the entry. Okay, we check also this. We'll put the Profit Hunter on, Profit Hunter robot on the way. We also put this on the chart again, and we put Profit Hunter. Okay, put the Profit Hunter again. It says yes. So you check about this, and then go to the chart, put the Profit Hunter as the way. Make sure you subscribe, you like and comment. Watch this video to the end so as you understand everything and with the process, the way we are doing all these things, so as you can understand on how we start, so as you can get a clear entry and know where we are going to be in our way. So it is like that one. So let's test some pairs so as we can get the clear entry and understand which and the time frame we're using is 1 hour time frame. So we're just testing all these some pairs so as we can check out which pair is going to enter the market earlier as we put it. Then we'll go with the pair we called the trade earlier. Okay, I think this one enough. I can add one. Which one can I add here? Or let me leave this. Okay, so we are just watching it waiting for the robot to do some analysis, and we go on with it. So make sure you watch this to the end so as we get the entry and you understand. Okay, as you can see now, the EURUJPY has get entered, so we can close other pairs. We can close and just remain with the euro. We just close other pairs. We just close, EURUJPY is the one. We just close other pairs. We just close other pairs because they are not get the entry. So you're just remaining with USD JPY. We close all of this. So we remain with only Euro USD, and the direction of the Euro USD is in buy direction. So I can confirm it by using this strategy. Okay, the bot already confirmed everything. So what we are going to do now is just to let's say, first of all, going to moving average and put a moving average here, 21 exponential, shift 0 red, and I check this and I watch and I minimize to see the direction of the market. If it will just direction as buy according to the bot. Can it be real? As you can check out in this, and we confirm this is going to be like the way the planning is. The direction is good. So what to do here, I will just come and find where Euro USD is. Euro USD, Euro JPY, not Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro JPY. I will find Euro JPY, Euro JPY, and I add Euro JPY on the chart. And the bot also. Just add the bot. The pair. Okay, after you finished everything and you added the bot like the way you see it, so you leave for the bot to do its work. And from here I've already shown you everything. I just let me show you in the phone on how everything is seen on the phone. So make sure you watch this video to the end. This is how it's do setup for the robot, brand new robot, and I will give a giveaway to somebody, but 10 people. For the first 10 people I will give for an offer price. So for 5 people, 10 people, first 10 people, I will give it for an offer price. Okay, so welcome again, and this is Profit Hunter new robot, Profit Hunter trading robot. Yes. This is what we are looking for. Yes, and this is what we get. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and so as we understand everything, I'm going to show you in the phone and final result. And our goal here with this is just to double the account, to double this account. So we need to have the profit of 500 going on. So just like that. So as you can see, we are already in just profit like that. So just let's watch and see what is going to happen with us every point as we go. Okay, I think you can see everything I'm showing you here and how everything is going. Okay, let's check again. Let's check for another pair. This is BTC, and I think you see everything. Okay, let's go to this BCH. Okay, and we drag our indicator. Drag our indicator, and then let's minimize it. And so as you can see, I think you can see everything here.
It's so amazing, so amazing. Okay, I think you can understand something. I think you can get. Can you check that? Can you check that picture? If you have, can you pause it and then zoom it and check what is this? Is this what you need in your life? Indicator, a pro, like it is a pro indicator. This is what is going to change your life. If you don't have, you cannot buy a robot, but also this one is you trade like a pro. No stress in your life, your head more too much. So this is going to change your life as you, my friend. So if you are looking for something to do, this is an opportunity. This is an opportunity to you to make this is an opportunity to make you at your point and your goals, on how free you think it, you can do it or anything. So you have to know and think what you can do. But this is what I can tell you. I think you can see this, how everything goes here, and let me minimize it a little bit again, and this, check this pair, and it works in any pair. It is working in any currencies. It can work in indices, in crypto, in forex, in forex, exit, in metals, cryptos, and everything. It can work everywhere. In just something good. It is just when you're in forex, it can work for you there, clear and clear and clear and clear. So I think you can do this something, my friend. Can you imagine? Or can you just tell me in the comment, how do you see this indicator? As the way you see it, as the way you see it. At the way you see it, let me show you. If this is another pair and it started to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, then buy, then it comes struggling, but going, then two up to here. Now I think you can understand something. So if you don't understand, you can check me to inbox and go to description. There is a recommended broker also. There is my number there. You can just, if you need this, come in my inbox, take the indicator. It is not free, it is for sale. Then we will do a business, and I will help you on how to install it and everything, and start your trading as soon as possible, and you can just change your life one step ahead. And good luck. Thank you for watching this. Make sure you subscribe, share this video to a family friend, and God bless you. Welcome to the channel. I thank you so much, because when you subscribe, when you watch this, you give me the power to make another video another time. Thank you for watching, and welcome again.